Play. Okay, what's that? Looks like green. Okay, that looks like a tree. Painting it up. What's going to happen? I don't know. Okay, that was glue and that green part is just hanging. Oh, that looks too great. Miniature tree. What are people are doing? Play. Okay, what's that? Is he going to make with clay? Okay, he's going to make those corn with. Yeah, of course he's going to make that. Tell me in comment box, can you do that? It looks cool. It was not that easy, but it looks cool. Okay, he's going to make those flowers. Violet flowers look cool. It doesn't look like flower. Okay, he's just rolling it. Now okay, he's just cutting it. Two flowers. Of course, now it's looking like flower. Great artwork. Okay, what's that? Again clay and mixing them up. It looks like a worm maybe. Yeah, of course. Adding some of the details to it. Nice. Play. What's that? It looks like a portrait, but what it's made up of? It's bottle. Bottle top. I don't know how he did that so perfectly. It looks too cool, man. Play. Okay, what this guy is making. Okay, with that. Oh, don't break it. Don't break it. Okay, he's making us think like, hey, that guy in the drawing is just breaking that frame. Okay, painting into realistic. Okay, that guy is just throwing that bottle of fire. Okay, it looks so real, by the way. To make us feel like it is just smashing. Okay, nice. He just smashed that hard. That glass broke. Okay, this art is cool too. What this guy is doing. Okay, that small kid is looking like that. Okay, what he's going to do. Okay, I will not recommend if you are below 15 years of age, because mirror can be harmful.